Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align multiple shapes in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to align multiple shapes in this document. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Shapes drop down menu and choose a shape. Then draw this shape. Then go back again the shapes drop down menu and insert some shapes. Now we want to align multiple shapes. Press shift on our keyboard and select the multiple shape. Then go to the shape format menu and click the align option, and we can see here many alignments. You can align the middle, otherwise align the bottom or top, etc. Now we can see we align multiple shapes this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.